Okay, excuse the fan noise, but it's California and it's hot in here. Okay, so I posted a video just before of this test rig I did, which is the Arduino trinket. It's a Adafruit trinket controlling stepper controller, and I've got, sorry for the horrible rig, I've got my switch that's acting as my home switch. This is a potentiometer that one direction causes the motor to turn one direction and speed adjustment, and then once you go back the other way it'll reverse the motor so I can determine which direction I want it to spin. And then this button represents the output from the, in our case we're using the fast pinball microcontroller, the Nano. And then I built this. This is my little bracket that holds the stepper motor. I got to machine a hub that goes from here up through here, which will actually become the spinning disc on the top of the playfield. But something critical that I was thinking about today is that the position of this motor, the center point of the motor, has to be pretty much dead on. So what I did was I cut this acrylic spacer that's the same size as the inside of the hole of the playfield, and it's temporary, so I put 2 screws into it. The idea is that before I mount this down, it centers the motor up, and it's got a little movement in it, and I don't think it's that critical. So I'm going to just kind of go with it, but that was the intention, that worked out. So once I get this mounted and centered as it is, I will get rid of the black acrylic spacer, and then I'll machine my hub and we'll get this thing moving. These, obviously, I'm going to find a good way to mount them. I'll build a mounting board, or I'll model it in 3D print or something. But right now I'm going to mount the optical sensor, the horseshoe sensor, and I'll try and get this all wired up before the weekend and shoot another video.